Welcome everyone, this is another video from your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're just looking at a platform called Falcon. Now this is another powerful platform which is very quiet. Not a lot of people know about this one, and to be fair, that's how I like it now. You get 150% ROI in just 30 days. Okay, so basically you get your ROI back. So you get your initial deposit back in about 21 days, I want to say, or 20 days, and then you've got another 10 days of profiting. So you get your money back in 20 days and then another 10 days of mere profit. So this basically what they do here is they trade. It's a trading bot, so make a profit from crypto bot trading and crypto staking. So that's what these guys will be doing for us. So in this, essentially all we need to do is, first thing you need to do is sign up into your personal account, create a simple registration procedure, sign into the site, and you're up and running. So it's like all the other platforms, guys. You sign up, you deposit, and you get started. So there's nothing too sort of convoluted when it comes to that at all. Everything is pretty easy. Get 10% from every deposit. You get 10% for everyone you invite, basically. So that's the referral program. Let's have a look. Okay, so frequently asked questions: what cryptocurrency can I use in my account? So you've got a few there: Tron, BTC, TRC20 is my currency of choice. What do I need to do in order to start cooperation with you? Essentially, you just sort of get started. In order to start cooperation, it is necessary to make a few steps. Create an account, click sign up button, further fill in required fields, check agreement, tick that, and then sign up button. So pretty simple. What's the maximum and minimum deposit? That's a good one. Okay, so you've got your maximums and minimums here in a variety of cryptocurrencies. The one I look at is Tether, so that's 15 Tether to start, USDT. So what is the minimum amount of withdrawal of that earned funds? Okay, so the minimum amount of withdrawal that is 15 USDT again. So that's the minimum. How long does it take to process a withdrawal? Right, the process time is up to 48 hours. I know it to be normally 24 hours, but you've got up to 48 hours, which is not a problem. As long as they're paying, there's not a problem. And then this is the referral program. So 20% is what you'll receive, 10%, sorry, is what you'll receive if someone else deposits. So that's fair and fine. Here, of course, is the contact details to get a hold of them. So guys, these guys, Falcon Invest, are staking your crypto and trading as well. So I'm just going to log in very quickly and show you my account. Okay, so we're in now, guys. So simple. Obviously we've got that. So this is basically the account area. You can stake your funds and gain in all sorts of cryptocurrencies. So I don't have any Bitcoin, so that's why we've got nothing in there. However, I've got TRC20, Tether, so I've got USDT here, which is 25 that I've got in my balance. I have deposited, wait for it, 250. It clearly shows here I've been in this for 2 days. So 2 days out of the 30 days. Remember, I need to get to about 20 days, and then at that point I'll have broken even. I'll have got my 250 back, and then the rest of the days, which will be 10 days, I'll be profiting. So I think the figure that I'm getting every day is 12 USDT 50. I've got 4 hours remaining before my next payment, so that's pretty clear. This is probably when I started. If we look at Okay, this is the page if you want to invest. So if I click here, I'll see 20 here. So available to withdraw is 25 USD. Remember, you can withdraw no less than 15 USDT at a time. Now over here, this shows my daily earnings. So I've earned £25 so far. So I've got 10% of my initial deposit. So this payout includes my initial deposit. So my capital is a part of your daily profit. So I hope that's clear. So the major points to look out for when it comes to this platform: you get your funds every day, so you get paid every day. Withdrawal takes 48 hours, so your withdrawal is 48 hours. That's the key, and your capital is part and parcel of your daily profits. So that's very important. So let's have a look. So this platform's been working fine. It's been going for just over 100 days. So that pretty much means they've done easily 3 cycles of 30 days, which is good news. It's quiet. Not everyone knows about this platform. So that's everyone's got their own criteria, guys. Remember, at this point, we're trying to get into less volatile platforms. We're just trying to sort of stabilize, make sure I'm making a certain amount of money every month. So my target is every month make about 40 to 50% of my account or of what I've diversified into. So that's working fine. I'm sort of I've ROI'd on 4 out of 5 of the platforms that I've been in, most recently, especially a week ago when I was in a lot of those very desperate and risky. Well, everything is risky, guys, but just those, high reward platforms rewarding much more than this is, and in much shorter time. So your I can't remember, it's your 12 by 12s, your universe 15s, your do hourly, all that stuff bolstered my account, bolstered my crypto wallet, to be honest, and has allowed me to sort of be able to deposit in these accounts with risk capital. Essentially, the 250 I'm in here, I made in do hourly. They've got another platform that's running now, but I've taken my time with that one. I didn't dive straight into that one. And there is T10 as well, which is doing what it's doing, and I'm not in those because I just wanted to bolster my crypto wallet and then sort of pick and choose where I deem fit. And guys, I do advise you guys to do the same thing. This is not financial advice. I'm just documenting how I'm rolling the dice in these platforms, and happy for you to follow along. So what we're going to do now is do a withdrawal. Always tick the tether because that is what I've deposited in. So this looks okay. I need to enter my PIN, so I'll do that now. So once you've entered your PIN, just click withdraw. Right, okay, your application has been sent for processing. So that's absolutely fine. Remember, it's up to 48 hours. So if I go back to my account and go to Tether, so that's gone. It's telling me how much I've earned. I've obviously withdrawn that. Let's have a look. I get a payment in 3 hours or and a bit, which is good. And I think that's it. There's nothing else to sort of add to this one, guys. So if you like the look of this one, guys, we're adding this. So we're slowly upping the number of platforms we're in very nicely. Everything that I'm in is still alive. No issues with this per se. It looks good. There's not a lot of noise, not too many big guns or big promoters are in this one. So this one should work as a little silent assassin behind the scenes, and I'm very happy with this one. And remember guys, I am diversified, so no matter what happens, they can't all crash on me at the same time, let's put it that way. And that's how you stay alive in this space. So if you like the project, my link is in the description. If you are happy with what you've seen today and all the work we're putting in to put this this sort of stuff out to you, please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. The Telegram group is live and kicking, and it's the link is in the description. Please do join the Telegram group, comment, let's talk about the DeFi space and where we can watch ourselves. If you know of platforms that are risky or that you're in, let's talk about it and safeguard what we have here in the DeFi space before it is all regulated. And on that note guys, I am going to say that as my final words, and I'm out of here.